Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful video. And in this video, I'm going to address the issue how to turn off Wi-Fi for WhatsApp on your iPhone. So right now, as you can see, you need to open your WhatsApp. The first step is you need to open the WhatsApp. And now from here, you have to navigate to over here in the settings. And now from here, as you can see, when we have in this particular page, scroll now. And over here, you can see there is an option called storage and data. You have to tap on this one. And right now, you will be able to see an option called proxy. You have to tap on this one as well. So right now, the proxies may not be set up. So you have to tap over here in the setup proxy. And over here, as you can see, we have to give a proxy address. So let me give a proxy address, something I have to give a proxy address I have to give. So the proxy address is 75.23.1.89. So this is the proxy address that I wanted to add, and we have to go forward and save. Okay, right there afterwards, here comes the most important part that you have to turn on the proxy. You have to turn on the proxy, and right there, as you can see, the share counting. So it's gonna take a little bit of time to get connected, and you'll be getting a message like, it's not connecting. So you have to make sure itself that, as you can see, it's free to connect to the proxy. So the reason is we have given a wrong proxy address over here. So that is why we're having this issue. So once afterwards, you just need to go back over here and you can see that the WhatsApp is like it's keep on connecting so that we have given wrong proxy address so that it can be trying to connect it back. So how we can turn off your Wi-Fi over here like this. So the most important part is you have to give the proxy address is what it's going to take you to this. And the most important part after doing this, sometimes you wanted to complete turn this off. So if that is the case, just follow this. We just need to go back over here in the settings once again. Just go back over here. This is how it looks like. I'm showing. Just go back to the storage and data once again, and go to the proxy once again, and you have to turn this off. So when you turn this off, it will be fine and we'll be able to get the Wi-Fi back. And this is what I have to do. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. See you soon in the next video. Bye.